Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G42 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. Before we will start, I highly recommend to enter the link which is in the description box, because you will be transferred to the website where you can check all available codes for this device and many more. So for example, how to hard reset this device. Alright, so let's start with opening the dialer. Tap on the keypad and let me enter the first code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *##225#*##*#. And as I said, we're in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics. It is *##426#*##*#. And here we are in the diagnostics, so we can check the server, host port and time connected. We can tap on events and check some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status again. And here we've got much more information, so we can check the heartbeat, last ping or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code which will open the phone information. It is *##4636. ###*#. And here we can check the phone information, just like I said, and the usage statistics and Wi-Fi info. So let's start, for example, with the Wi-Fi. Here we've got the API configuration and the status. So in the status, for example, we can refresh the stats and check the information, just like the network state, SSID or network ID. You can also run ping test here. Let's go back to the usage statistics, and basically here we've got the list of all apps and the processes which are currently on this device. They are sorted by usage time, but of course if you want, you can change it to the last time use or app name, so they will be listed alphabetically, and you can check how much time you've spent on the particular app. So in my case settings, almost 7 minutes. Let's go back and let's check phone information. And as you can see here, we've got the info, just like the email number, the car network, data service, and voice service. Of course, I do not have any information right here because I do not have my SIM inserted. If you've got one, you will be able to check everything. You can also run ping tests here just by tapping on this option. And after tapping on the three dots icon, you can, for example, enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.